As a dude who's fascinated by tornadoes, I have no problem traveling all over the country to witness one in person. So on August 8th, when the Storm Prediction Center put out a 5% chance of tornadoes in my home state of Colorado, there was no way I was missing this. Little did I know, I was about to see a record-breaking storm. The chase began on the Tornado Highway, where an isolated storm would form near Sterling, Colorado. Once it became evident that this was going to be the storm of the day, me and my buddy Hunter core punched the storm from behind to get a good view of the storm's base.
Yo, is that a tornado? Yeah, this is a beast.
The storm was already looking extremely good, and sure enough, we made it just in time, not to see the tornado, but to meet this good boy.
We got a dog, and we got a tornado.
The Yuma tornado started out as a large, dusty circulation, which would eventually tighten up into this extremely tall tornado. But there was one problem. The tornado was heading directly towards the town of Yuma, Colorado, which was in a state of absolute chaos.
Yo, that's gonna hit town. Dude, just go south. Go to that south road. Alright, this thing is coming right here. I'm at the...
After making it out of the chaos of town, I would have an unobstructed view of the tornado. But I wasn't satisfied and wanted to get closer. The tornado appeared to be roping out, so I pulled over and started recording.
That's a snaky one, huh?
To my surprise, the tornado would re-strengthen into this classic elephant trunk tornado. Even though tornadoes can cause damage, I still think tornadoes are extremely beautiful. This tornado especially is one of the most beautiful tornadoes I have ever seen.
Gorgeous.
I was in perfect position to watch this tornado dance in the field, but I had to move as dust began blocking my view of the tornado, making the situation much more dangerous. The tornado continued to appear to grow in strength, getting wider and wider. And at this point, the tornado was at its widest and most powerful, completely destroying one residential home. And this was my last view of the Yuma tornado. Even though the tornado had dissipated, the storm was still going strong.
That's pretty strong.
And I was still on the hunt for more tornadoes.
We got another tube. Oh, look at that. It's showing itself. Oh, that's gorgeous.
This next tornado was an absolute cutie pie. I would then meet up with the boys, but this storm was not done. I would also see this dusty little vortex, and no, this is not a tornado. This is the part of Colorado nobody talks about. Shh, let's keep it our little secret.
Somewhere in there is a frickin' monster. It's coming right here.
The storm became so rain-wrapped you couldn't really see anything. Night was also coming fast, so I called the chase. In total, this storm would produce 7 different tornadoes, but by far, the tornado of the day was the Yuma EF3. It was found that the Yuma tornado completed 3 separate loops, which blows my mind, but the record held by this storm is that it produced the largest hail in Colorado state history at over 5 inches in diameter, which is bigger than a DVD. I consider the Yuma Colorado EF3 as one of my favorite tornadoes I've ever chased, and the craziest thing about it is that it happened only 2 hours from home.